No Me Too movement. Parliamentarians call for 1-year limitation for complaints on the sexual harassment bill. Our plan works. Prime Minister reiterates defense of administration's crime-fighting strategy. And autopsy row. Pathologists clash over post-mortem. The distraught family speaks out.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
For question this evening, what steps, if any, could be taken to safely reopen the entertainment sector?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.